What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another build update on the Kingfisher. So tonight went through, finished up more of the photo etch, so got the brackets in on this interior piece. Went through and also got all of the wing nut detail here on these here. Went on pretty well. Not too much problems. I just went ahead and, since I was missing that last dome, just put that on there. Also got the wheels done, or the wing floats done as well. Just as a note, make sure when building the PE set from Eduard that you definitely pay attention. There are some little tiny gauges that are pieces that go between parts 5 and 6. I went ahead and had to actually split those apart. Once I got those split apart, I was able to add those in. Went ahead and added the little tiny dials here. Got the release here, handle there, put into place, and that's about it. Kind of went through and also got a couple of dials here as well. Just kind of getting those ready to go in once I get the paint on and things like that. Went ahead and also started a little bit of the work with let me set that carefully out of the way. The interior components. So got the feet installed on this little guy, PE here on the side as well as the top. Sanded off the front, got it all flush and ready to go. So far going fairly well. One call out from the instructions I did want to note as I was kind of looking ahead is there are cutout marks here. Let's see if I can get a better shot for you here. So there are marks to cut out pieces. Number 1 is going to be for your float plane. Number 2 is going to be for your land-based aircraft, which has some additional parts for the gear here and back here. Make sure if you're doing the float plane version, do not open these, or you're going to have a hell of a time trying to fill them back in later. So I wish it was a little bit more clear than just a simple Roman numeral below it, but obviously as I looked at the kit part itself, I was just like, wait a minute, that's going to be for the rear gear. This isn't going to have that, so I'm not opening that. So just something to kind of keep in mind. I apologize for health conditions right now. Got a nice little cold here with the season change and stuff like that. So outside of that, though, moving along quite nicely. Didn't make a video on this because it was such a small thing, but went ahead and got to me a brown wash on this, so that is all dried. Might have mentioned that in the last part, can't remember 100%, but definitely moving on. The other thing is on part E20, there's this little tab here at the back that is very easily cut off because I thought it was a part of the sprue gate. Nope, it wasn't. So biggest thing I can say is just take your time as you're removing parts from the sprue to make sure what is going to be a part of the actual piece and what is sprue gate. Because there's not a lot of things that clearly dictate what is what with when it comes to the actual sprues themselves. Just kind of how they molded things and stuff like that. It's kind of bit me a few times already on this build. So just something to be considerate of. Outside of that, you guys I know probably are kind of wondering what the decal markings are going to be for this aircraft. I'm going to do a quick review of the decal sheet that I'm going to utilize on this build, and that way we can get it up to you guys, and I can start actually denoting what I'm doing and stuff like that for that. So that'll come out on Wednesday part here, or actually I'll go ahead and do it as a Friday part, as this one will be your Thursday release. So I know this will be up for Thanksgiving, so hopefully everybody is enjoying their Thanksgiving day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.